2025 Czinger 21C is a car that redefines the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. When you step inside, the interior is a mix of futuristic technology and luxury. The first thing you'll notice is the unique seating arrangement. It's a tandem seating setup, meaning the driver sits in front and the passenger directly behind, just like in a fighter jet. This layout isn't just for show, it's designed to optimize aerodynamics and performance. Inside, everything is crafted with precision. Carbon fiber, leather, and aluminum are used extensively, creating a lightweight yet luxurious cabin. The digital displays are sleek and offer all the information you need at a glance. From performance metrics to navigation, it's all right in front of you, easily accessible. The steering wheel is minimalist, with controls embedded for ease of use, giving you full control without distractions. Moving to the exterior, the Czinger 21C looks like it's been sculpted by the wind. The design is aggressive, with sharp lines and curves that enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The front end is low and wide, giving it a dominating presence on the road. The rear, with its large wing and diffuser, emphasizes its track-focused nature. Every detail, from the carbon fiber bodywork to the LED lighting, is designed with performance in mind. It's a car that looks fast, even when standing still. Performance is where the Czinger 21C truly shines. Powered by a hybrid powertrain, it combines a twin-turbo V8 engine with electric motors to produce a staggering 1,250 horsepower. This allows the 21C to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. It's not just about straight-line speed, though. The Czinger 21C is built to handle like a race car. The lightweight chassis, advanced suspension, and active aerodynamics make it incredibly agile, whether on a track or a winding road. This car isn't just about raw power. The hybrid system allows for a balance of performance and efficiency, something rarely seen in hypercars. And with the ability to adjust power delivery between the front and rear wheels, it provides optimal traction and control in all conditions. As for the price, the Czinger 21C is in the hypercar territory, starting at around $2 million. It's a car for those who demand the absolute best in performance and are willing to pay for it. With only a limited number being produced, it's as exclusive as it is powerful. For those who are passionate about cars, the Czinger 21C is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. It showcases what's possible when technology, design, and performance come together in perfect harmony. On Dream Car, we believe this is one of the most exciting cars to hit the market in 2025. Whether you're a collector or a driving enthusiast, the Czinger 21C is a car that will leave a lasting impression.